Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and add a TOTP to Bitwarden Authenticator. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your Authenticator application. So for example, let's just say I want to add a Google account. So I'm going to simply go ahead and manage my Google account on another device. So I'm just going to show it to you just like this. And now all I'm going to do is simply go ahead and click on security and sign in. And finally, once I've done that, as you can see, all I need to do is simply scroll all the way down until I find Authenticator and click on that. Now, once I've done that, simply go ahead and click on Setup Authenticator, and a QR code is going to be showing up on your Bitwarden Authenticator application. Just tap on Add Code. This QR is going to simply go ahead and launch this QR scanner, and then you can simply go ahead and scan it just like that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you